Ford reported a blowout quarter, the automaker posting its best earnings in 15 years. North America is strong, but as Phil LeBeau reports, there's a growing concern about the world's largest auto market, China.
It may sound cliche, but it's true. Business is booming for Ford in North America, where the company just had its most profitable quarter ever, bringing in $2.6 billion. In part because of strong demand for trucks and SUVs, which allowed Ford to push higher prices. Take the new F-Series pickup. Compared to the previous model, customers are paying almost $3,800 more for the current truck. The combination of strong demand and costs being kept in check drove Ford to post double-digit operating margins, something we don't see very often in the auto industry. With U.S. auto sales nearing a record high, many are worried the industry has peaked. But Ford's CEO isn't worried about Americans hitting the brakes when it comes to buying new cars and trucks.
There's a lot of discussion around the market being at a peak. You know, I really term it as a plateau because when you look at what's driving the market, it's really around replacement demand.
Ford is not as optimistic about China, the world's largest auto market. In fact, the company has cut its outlook for the industry in that country, saying full-year vehicle sales could be slightly negative as China's economy slows down. Ford is not cutting production or sales targets for that country, primarily because it's strongest in smaller cities in western China, where demand is still robust for cars and SUVs. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.